Hello. Today I'm talking about beta Excel exporter for Jira Cloud and Data Center. Hello everyone. So here we're looking at the beta Excel exporter for Jira. So let's take a look at this interesting application. First, it looks like it's pretty promising. It has tons of positive feedback. As we see, like pretty stellar feedback. It's cloud fortified, should be secure. The company as well as SOC 2 compliant, at least what they say publicly here. And then it has positive reviews. The pricing a bit interesting. So I would say it feels a bit expensive for just Excel exporter. As we see, they promise to be able to export files very easily, the stuff. And here, for example, they have a few examples how they can do it. So let's quickly take a look. As we see here, they promise to be able to export different Jira with custom fields, as well as export issue lists with comments and other configurable custom fields. On top of this, you can export a solved and unsolved issue and then make pivot tables, which seems useful, as well as export different Agile reports. And of course, okay, they have a broken link, which is pretty interesting. So now let's jump into it, install the app. So here we have an application, and now we can have some fun and export some files into Excel. So here we have our amazing Excel. So here you see this big button. So for me, first, it looks very big and annoying, so I don't export to Excel every time, and this is actually too big and too vivid, and it's too destructive. But anyways, this is a bit of improvement. Oh, this looks crazy. I mean, first, I have no freaking idea which one to select. All of them look the same, so they force me to read all the icons. Excel. Let's export all our issues and see how it goes. Okay, here we exported the files. Okay, here we have our exported file. As we see here, tons of Jira fields. Seems like the one all related, but otherwise there is nothing else. So sounds like if there are some changes in my issues, I would need to actually export every time and merge the data if I have some reports built on Excel. So I would say this is a big drawback, that it doesn't sync automatically with Excel. So it feels like it's very one-off operation and so on. Sounds like you also can export a particular issue. Again, if you have another task, we basically have this, wow, and these crazy big buttons, which will always annoy me here. Export this one. Again, I see the same pop-up. But the issue is like, if I'm in the issue, why I don't see only export the issue? Why it's not easier in operation? So I see for me, it has tons of improvements. It's hard to start. I would give it actually potentially 2.5, 3 out of 4. I wouldn't give it 4 because it's a bit complex. It's not intuitive. Doesn't sync issues between Jira and Excel. And I would say it's rather expensive as well. So 3, 2.5 out of 4. Please comment below if you want to see unsolicited feedback for other apps from any work-related products. Thank you very much.